Nestled on the banks of the sacred Yamuna River, Kalpi is a city steeped in history. This ancient city in Uttar Pradesh, India, holds within its heart stories of empires and rebellions. Kalpi is a testament to India's rich past. It has witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties. Kalpi has been a silent observer to the flow of time and the tides of change. This has left an indelible mark on its soul. The city's heritage is evident in its architecture, its culture, and its people. Kalpi whispers tales of a glorious past waiting to be discovered. A journey through Kalpi is a journey through time. It is a city where the echoes of ancient battles mingle with the chants from age-old temples. Kalpi is more than just a city, it is a living museum. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of India. Kalpi's history dates back to the ancient Hindu epic, the Mahabharata. This ancient city, nestled in the heart of India, has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous empires and dynasties, each leaving an indelible mark on its cultural and architectural heritage. It finds mention as a significant location during the reign of the Pandavas. The epic tales of the Mahabharata bring to life the grandeur and importance of Kalpi in ancient times, painting a vivid picture of its strategic and cultural significance. Over the centuries, Kalpi came under the rule of various dynasties. From the powerful Mauryas to the illustrious Guptas, each dynasty contributed to the city's rich tapestry of history. Each left its own mark on the city's cultural and architectural landscape. The remnants of these eras can still be seen today, offering a glimpse into the past and the diverse influences that shaped Kalpi. The Chandelas, the Delhi Sultanate, and the Mughal Empire all held sway over Kalpi. The Chandelas, known for their exquisite temple architecture, left behind stunning examples of their craftsmanship. These dynasties shaped the city's destiny. The Delhi Sultanate brought with it a new era of Islamic architecture, while the Mughal Empire introduced grandiose structures that still stand as testaments to their reign. They left behind architectural marvels that stand today as proud reminders of Kalpi's glorious past. These structures, ranging from temples to forts, narrate the story of a city that has been a melting pot of cultures and traditions. During the Mughal era, Kalpi flourished as a center of trade and commerce. The bustling marketplaces and thriving trade routes of the time highlight the city's economic importance. Its strategic location on the banks of the Yamuna River made it a vital link in the trade routes of North India. The river not only facilitated trade but also brought prosperity and growth to the region. The Mughal influence is still visible in Kalpi's architecture, particularly in its mosques and tombs. These structures, with their intricate designs and grandeur, reflect the artistic and cultural zenith of the Mughal period. The decline of the Mughal Empire saw the rise of the Marathas. This warrior clan recognized the strategic importance of Kalpi and sought to control it. They too recognized Kalpi's strategic importance. The Marathas fortified the city, making it a stronghold in their quest for dominance in the region. Control over Kalpi changed hands several times during this period. The city became a battleground for power, witnessing numerous conflicts and battles. Finally, it fell into the hands of the British East India Company, marking a turning point in the city's history. The British brought with them new administrative systems and architectural styles, further adding to the city's diverse heritage. Today, Kalpi stands as a testament to its rich and varied history. The layers of its past are visible in its architecture, culture, and traditions, making it a unique blend of ancient and colonial influences. The year 1857 was a watershed moment in India's struggle for independence from British rule. It marked the beginning of a series of uprisings and revolts that would eventually lead to the end of British colonialism in India. The spark that ignited this massive rebellion was a combination of political, economic, and social grievances that had been simmering for years. Kalpi, true to its history of valor, stood out as a beacon of resistance. This ancient town, with its rich cultural heritage and strategic location, became a focal point for the revolutionary activities that swept across the country. It became a significant center of the rebellion, where the spirit of defiance was palpable in the air. The streets of Kalpi buzzed with the fervor of freedom fighters who were determined to reclaim their land from the clutches of the British. The city rose up in arms against the oppressive British East India Company, fueled by the flames of patriotism. The local populace, driven by a deep sense of injustice and a burning desire for freedom, took to the streets in protest. The people of Kalpi, inspired by leaders like Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Tatya Tope, fought bravely against the British forces. These leaders were not just military strategists, but also symbols of hope and resilience for the common people. The city became a stage for fierce battles and acts of unparalleled courage. Every street and alleyway bore witness to the determination and bravery of the freedom fighters who were willing to lay down their lives for the cause. One notable event was the Battle of Kalpi in May 1858. This battle was a crucial moment in the larger context of the 1857 rebellion, showcasing the strategic importance of Kalpi in the fight against British rule. Though ultimately unsuccessful in driving out the British, the resistance put up by the people of Kalpi became a symbol of defiance. Their unwavering spirit and relentless efforts left an indelible mark on the history of India's freedom struggle. The events of 1857 cemented Kalpi's place in the annals of India's freedom struggle. The town's contribution to the rebellion is commemorated through various historic markers and plaques that tell the story of its brave inhabitants. The city's spirit of resistance serves as an inspiration to future generations. Young people today visit Kalpi to learn about its rich history and draw inspiration from the tales of courage and sacrifice that are an integral part of its legacy. The stories of courage and sacrifice continue to echo within its historical sites. These monuments stand as silent witnesses to the bravery of those who fought for freedom, reminding us of the price that was paid for the independence we enjoy today. Section 4, Where the Yamuna Flows, a serene riverine rhapsody. The lifeblood of Kalpi, quite literally, is the Yamuna River. Flowing majestically alongside the city, the Yamuna is more than just a geographical feature, it's an integral part of Kalpi's cultural and spiritual identity. The riverfront is a place of serenity and tranquility. Locals and visitors alike gather here to witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The gentle lapping of the water against the ghats creates a soothing melody. The Yamuna is revered as a sacred river in Hinduism. It is associated with numerous myths and legends. The ghats along the riverbank serve as venues for religious ceremonies and rituals, adding to the spiritual aura of the place. A boat ride on the Yamuna offers a unique perspective of Kalpi. It allows visitors to witness the city's skyline, with its ancient temples and historical monuments reflected in the river's tranquil waters. Section 5, Bounty of the Land. Agriculture and sustenance in Kalpi. The fertile plains surrounding Kalpi are a testament to the bounty of the land. Agriculture forms the backbone of the local economy, with farmers cultivating a variety of crops. The region's rich soil, nourished by the waters of the Yamuna, yields abundant harvests. Wheat, rice and sugarcane are some of the main crops grown in the region. The sight of lush green fields stretching as far as the eye can see is a common and heartwarming sight in Kalpi. The agricultural cycle dictates the rhythm of life for many people in the city. The local markets, bustling with activity, are a testament to the region's agricultural richness. Farmers bring their fresh produce to sell, filling the air with vibrant colors and aromas. The markets offer a glimpse into the daily life and culinary traditions of the people of Kalpi. Section 6, A Tapestry of Life exploring Kalpi's flora and fauna. Beyond its historical and agricultural significance, Kalpi is also home to a surprisingly diverse ecosystem. The region is a living testament to the harmonious coexistence of various species of plants and animals, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. The region surrounding the city supports a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. From dense forests to open grasslands, the landscape is a mosaic of habitats that cater to different species. Nature reserves in the area are meticulously maintained to ensure the protection and proliferation of native species. The banks of the Yamuna River are particularly rich in biodiversity. The river's ecosystem supports a wide range of aquatic plants and animals, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment. The lush riverbanks are teeming with life, from the smallest insects to larger mammals that come to drink from the river. Migratory birds find refuge in the wetlands along the river, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. These wetlands serve as crucial stopover points for birds traveling long distances, providing them with food and shelter. Birdwatchers can observe a variety of species, each with its unique behaviors and calls. The sight of flocks of birds taking flight against the backdrop of the rising sun is truly mesmerizing. This daily spectacle is a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. The early morning light casts a golden hue over the landscape, enhancing the visual splendor of the scene. The rural areas surrounding Kalpi are home to a variety of animals, including nilgai, jackals, and various species of snakes and lizards. These animals have adapted to the local environment, finding food and shelter in the diverse habitats. Observing these creatures in their natural habitat offers a glimpse into the intricate web of life that sustains the ecosystem. The diverse flora includes a mix of trees, shrubs, and wildflowers, adding splashes of color to the landscape. Each season brings a new palette of colors, from the vibrant blooms of spring to the rich hues of autumn leaves. The variety of plant life not only enhances the beauty of the area, but also supports a wide range of wildlife. Exploring the natural beauty of Kalpi can be an enriching experience. Whether you're hiking through the forests, strolling along the riverbanks, or simply sitting and observing the wildlife, there's always something new to discover. The tranquility of the natural surroundings provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. A walk through the countryside, a boat ride on the Yamuna, or simply sitting by the riverbank listening to the sounds of nature can be truly rejuvenating. These activities allow you to connect with the natural world, offering moments of peace and reflection. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the flowing water create a symphony of natural sounds that soothe the soul. Section 7. Spiritual Sojourns, Temples and Shrines of Kalpi. Kalpi's spiritual legacy is as rich and diverse as its history. The city is dotted with numerous temples and shrines, each with its own unique legend and architectural style. These religious places offer a glimpse into the city's spiritual heritage and attract devotees from far and wide. One of the most prominent temples in Kalpi is the Hanuman Mandir. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the monkey god, is a fine example of traditional Hindu temple architecture. The temple is particularly crowded on Tuesdays and Saturdays, considered auspicious days for worshipping Lord Hanuman. Another notable temple is the Jain temple, dedicated to Lord Parshvanath. Known for its intricate carvings and peaceful ambience, the temple is a popular destination for Jain pilgrims.